This is the 6000 BTU window air conditioner that I used to cool off my whole house this past summer. And I took it out of the window and now I'm going to take it apart and clean it. So let's do that together. To start, I'm just going around and removing all the Phillip head screws. They're just short little sheet metal screws, and a few of them are hidden, but you can track them down pretty easily. And then take out the filter from the front and set that off to the side. And now we'll work on trying to get the actual metal shell off from the base unit. And there's a few hidden little plastic tabs that you got to push in and get that off. As we go to take a closer look here, I'm taking particular attention to this, I'm going to call it sump, the area where the external radiator coil is. And it's filled with gunk in there, and it really looks like the metals are kind of reacting to each other or rusting out. And that's because it was filled with water when I removed it. And air conditioners used to have drain holes in them, and then the condensate would drain out. Which is the case with my other window AC, but this model does not have that. And it's a little concerning for me because I don't see the point. What were they trying to achieve? I mean, to me, it's just a magnet for collecting all this gunk. I mean, and it's causing the metals to react. So I'm going to add a few drain holes, just drill it out and move on. But you can see the front is nice and clean. That was the inside. But there's a lot of dirt in there that I want to get out before I put this away. So I'm starting by hosing down the washable filter from the front of the unit, as well as the plastic grate that covers the filter. And then I'm going to move inside and hose off the compressor and the fan and the outside coil. And I'm staying away from the inside coil and the electronics. Got to be careful of those. If you ever tip a refrigerant coil on the side like this, whether it's an AC or a refrigerator, you've got to make sure that when you tip it upright again, you give it at least 24 hours before you plug it in, and you got to let that refrigerant go back to its normal resting place. Don't plug this in immediately after tipping it on its side. Here it is after it's been cleaned out. Hopefully this little bit of annual maintenance will prolong the life of the AC. And thanks a lot for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's what I was missing. Alright, there we go. Now we're done. Now we can put it away for next season.